Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to convert from Ninja profile to digital profile after you join the company. So whatever information I'm going to give you in this video, I have collected all the data from one of my friend who was recently got selected for a digital profile from Ninja profile. That person got upgraded from Ninja profile to digital profile. Okay, so let us see what you have to do and when you'll get the chance and all. So first of all, I'll tell you in this video what I'm going to discuss is I'll explain you what is TCS digital for the people who are not aware of it, and also timeline of the selected candidate. That is as I said, one of my friend got it and I'm going to share his timeline. That is when he got the interview mail, when he got the exam mail, when he got the result and all I'll share. And also how many ways are there to convert from TCS Ninja into TCS digital after joining the company. I'm telling you again, after joining the company, it's not before joining the company. Got it? And also the difficulty of the questions that you're going to face in TCS digital when compared to Ninja or NQT. Okay, so let us see. First of all, what is TCS digital? See, TCS will offer different roles, like it has smart, it has Ninja, it has digital and all, right? So in Ninja you'll be getting a package of 3.36 lakhs per annum, but in case of digital you will be getting a package of 7 lakhs per annum. And also there are some constraints under which you can get 7 lakh per annum, that you have to there are some constraints. If you're working in TCS, you might be aware of it, right? And there is no bond for students who got selected through TCS digital profile. They will not have any bond. But for the students who got not students, of course, for the people who got converted from TCS Ninja to TCS digital, since you have already signed a bond when you are joining in Ninja profile, so whether that bond will be applicable or not, or you can leave the bond or not, I'm not actually sure about it. You can just contact your HR or your team lead or any for any questions. Next, and you can attempt this TCS digital exam, like you can get a chance to upgrade to your TCS digital profile 2 times. Like you can do it before joining the company and also after joining the company. So this video is completely about how to do it after joining the company. Got it? And this DCA exam will happen yearly 2 times. DCA exam, DCA exam will happen for 2 times in a year. Got it? And my friend, actually there are 2 ways, I'll tell you that again later. So my friend got his DCA notification on personal mail, not on TCS mail. Okay, so on personal mail he got the information about this DCA exam. Next, so this I'm going to share the timeline of the selected candidate. So first on DCA exam was on 29th of September and result was declared on 12th of October. You can see the difference, right? Why am I sharing all the dates is, if you are in this position, if you are having similar, like how many days it will take to get the result and all questions you'll have, right? You'll get an idea. And the result was declared on 12th October and DCA interview was on 5th November and DCA interview result was released on 30th November. See that gap. And DCA offer letter was given on 13th of December. That is, the salary will be effective from December month. The December end we will be getting the salary, right? So maybe from that December cycle they'll be giving the upgraded salary. So this is about the timeline. And next, there are 2 different ways to convert from Ninja profile to digital profile after joining the company. So one is DCA exam plus you have to give an interview, and the other one is TSLP courses plus 2 interviews you have to give, which is T-shaped learning path. Okay, DSLP stands for T-shaped learning path. So many people are saying that this is the last DCA exam. From next time onwards, the process will be not like DCA exam. You have to go with TSLP courses itself. So I don't know whether it is true or not. Maybe it is true because so many people are saying that. And if that is true, then you have to rely on TSLP courses and plus 2 interviews in order to upgrade your profile. Got it? Now let us see the last thing, which is the sections and the preparations and all. So in DCA also, so as I have when I spoke with my friend, this is the info which I got: quant, verbal, logical, coding, 4 sections. And in the 4 sections also, see, almost similar sections to NQT and Ninja, right? But here the thing is, the difficulty of questions will be a bit more. So in case of quant, verbal, logical, if it is not more also. But in case of quant verbal logical also, it will be more, of course it will be more, but it may not very, it's not very high difficult level questions, you can solve that. And in case of coding, but in case of coding you'll definitely get hard question. And for coding you have to prepare control structures and data structures perfectly. You know what control structures are, right? Loops, if statements, switch, conditional statements, everything, all the control structures you have to learn. And also data structures also you have to learn. Data structures is not only important for TCS or for digital profile or for Ninja profile, for any interview, for any placement exam, data structures are very important. As my experience of attending several interviews, I'm telling you that data structures is very important. And also my friend faced compiler problem in the end, it seems. Actually the exam is supposed to end at 3 o'clock maybe, or 3 or 4 around, but it took almost evening for him, 6 or 7. He sat in front of the computer for so much for a longer time because of compiler problem. So even when you're attempting the exam, if you're having any compiler problem, just relax, nothing is gonna happen, because there are so many people who are attempting the exam. So sometimes some technical issues may happen. So all the best for your, if you are upgrading from Ninja to digital, if it is through DCA, I hope this video would be useful for you. Or if it is not through DCA, then I'll try to make a video about the other one as well. So if you're still having any questions about anything, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to answer for each and every comment for sure. And if I'm not able to answer for any of the comment, please excuse me for that. And let's meet up in the next coming video with another topic.